Welcome back. Welcome back. It is time for me to do my crusty nails again. Honestly, the days that I dread. But as a nail tech, it has to be done. When I do my nails, sometimes I come in with a vision or an inspo pick, but today I just had a couple of ideas roaming through my head. I was like, hibiscus flowers, cat eye, and chrome. That's all that was in my head. I'm going to take y'all through this step-by-step process of my little freestyle, and y'all going to see how sometimes I change my mind and sometimes I kept rolling with ideas. But right now, I'm just cutting down the nails a bit because they have grown out so much because I waited so long to do them. I had it in my head with my previous set. I was like, I'm not going to wait long anymore. I'm going to do this. Yeah, right. And then on top of taking down these gel lines, which I would never do again. And if I do them again, I'm not going to say never. But if I do them again, they're just going to be minimal. See, I went big or go home with these. Okay. I did them on every single finger. It was cute. It was cute until I have the repercussions now trying to drill these things off. I go into detail with my prep routine, filing, dehydrating, priming, all that good stuff in my previous video. So if you want to know that, just go ahead and catch up over there. As far as the colors, I just wanted something real bright, and I'm just going to go in with my Goy gel to use it as a base for my nails. I do like the base of the regular acrylic, but I wanted something a tad bit pinkier, and I know these colors are so pretty and like sheer. When I first started applying the gel, I didn't really do it in any particular order because I really didn't know where I was going with this look, but obviously now I know. So I started trying this new method, which I would never, ever, ever do again. Okay, so since I was doing the chrome, I started by putting the acetone in my thing, and I was about to rub my nails down with the acetone to try to be like the resistance for the chrome instead of me using my chrome proof matte top coat. Number one mistake. But I learned from it. And that's what this channel is here for. So y'all can learn from my mistakes. But as a nail tech, I would never say don't try new things. I'm always trying new things. You can always try new things on yourself. Now, don't do it on your client. Oh, no. Make sure you test it on yourself first. And then if it works, you can do it on your client. I started off by doing my French tip so that could be like the base of the nail design, so I could have something to know where I'm going to place everything around that French tip. I don't care what nobody says. You would never master a French tip. And when I say that, you're going to get it right a couple of times, the first few times, and then the next times, I'm telling you, it's going to act a fool on you, and it's going to make it seem like you never ever did it ever a day in your life. And I'm proud of myself. This was only my second attempt of the French tip. I forgot to put my white down on my palette, but I wanted to put the white down so I could get this ombre effect with the other color. I'm using this 3D brush with a point on it so it'll be able to form the flowers and points perfectly. So adding a little bit of yellow and a little bit of white, I'm going to dab the color on there in no particular order just to get the color on there. But I am trying to place it like in the shape of a flower or in the shape of a butterfly wing, so it'll be easier for me to outline it and you can still see that little peak of color under there. After I'm done placing these colors, I'm just going to go ahead and cure it and repeat the same thing with the other colors to kind of layer the colors. And here's where everything went wrong when I chose not to put my chrome proof matte top coat on, and the chrome stuck to the rest of the nail. I should have known better, but I was trying a new method. I was trying to try something out, but never again. And I definitely did not do that when it came to doing my flowers and stuff. Oh no. If you want a more detailed video on how bomb this matte chrome proof top coat is, make sure you stay towards the end and I'm going to link the video there. Here is a quick little tutorial on the hibiscus flowers. So you're going to have 3 dots in total at the tip of your flowers to form it and all that good stuff. So you want one of the dots to be higher than the other one for it to really give that hibiscus flower look. And you're going to take your nail art brush, whatever one you prefer to use, put a little bit of product on there, not that much, just a little bit, because you don't want to add no excess, because if the lines is too thick, it's going to mess up the whole middle of the design. The 2 outside dots, you're just going to curve them into the middle so it could give that cute little petal shape and feather in the gel from the rest of the dots until all the gaps are gone. You still want to see some space so that color could peek through now. When it came down to the butterfly, I was really debating on leaving it, but then I was like, okay, let me just put these random kind of like water droplets in it, big, small, medium, large. You don't want it to look too uniform because you want it to look like the inside of the butterfly. And I'm really glad that I did that because it gave it a more realistic look to it. And I did still feel like my nails needed a little more pizzazz. So I decided to go add some pearls or like some gold beads to them. And another trick, if y'all did not know, these gold beads love to chip or to fall off. So what I do is I cure them for the first time, just to get them stuck, get them on. And then I go ahead and put the rhinestone glue over them to be like a coat of protection. So therefore that gold does not chip off. Now that I have finished and top coated everything, I'm just taking some acetone and my lint-free wipe, and I'm just wiping off any of the excess chrome that may have got on my fingers. Now, you want to make sure that you top coat your nails before you do this. Don't do this and have your nails just raw dogging because the chrome is going to come off. If you stayed towards the end of this video, make sure you drop a heart for me down below, and I thank you so much. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And tell me how y'all think I did. I don't know if I want to start doing fall nails yet or spooky season nails. Do y'all think it's too early? But I'm going to see y'all in my next one. Bye.